Welcome to my YouTube channel AK Electrical 111. Today, Electrical MCQ 1. Which instrument is used for measurement of current? A. Wattmeter. B. Voltmeter. C. Ammeter. D. Mega. Answer C. Ammeter. 2. If two aluminium conductor each of resistance are connected in a parallel, the overall resistance between the two ends will be A. Double of R. B. Half of R. C. Only R. D. 4 asterisk R. Answer A. Double of R. 3. What will happen to the resistance of a copper conductor if it is heated? A. Will increase. B. Will decrease. C. Will remain same. D. Will increase first and then decrease. Answer A. Will increase. 4. Ohm's law is applicable to A. Semiconductor. B. Vacuum tube. C. Electrolyte. D. None of these. Answer D. None of these. 5. Which of the flowing material possesses the least specific resistance? A. Aluminium. B. Copper. C. Silver. D. Iron. Answer C. Silver. 6. For contacting a light point, the switch is placed in the A. Phase wire or line wire. B. Neutral wire. C. Earth wire. D. Any of those. Answer A. Phase wire or line wire. 7. Minimum size of single-core copper wire commercially available for domestic load is A. 0.5 SQ.mm. B. 0.75 SQ.mm. C. 1 SQ.mm. D. 1.5 SQ.mm. Answer B. 0.75 SQ.mm. 8. Fan and light are connected in A. Series. B. Parallel. C. Odd even. D. None. Answer B. Parallel. 9. As per Ken regulations, what tests are required for installation? A. Leakage test. B. Polarity test. C. Short circuit test. D. Open circuit test. E. Earth test. F. All of above. Answer F. All of above. 10. Why earthing is done? A. To save human life from shock. B. To maintain the line voltage constant. C. To protect large building from atmosphere lightning. D. To protect all machine-fed form or H line from atmosphere lightning. E. All of the above. Answer E. All of the above. If any query, comment box is yours. Thanks for watching video.